Hello everyone, this is Alex from Swoosh English. I'm here with my friend Fasal, and I'm here with lots of nurses and our OET teacher Regimo. I'm in Trisha, Kerala, India right now, and I've been very warmly welcomed into Regimo's class, where she's got her nurses working extremely hard on OET writing. It's a very small, intensive class, which is fantastic. And I'm curious to know, students, what do you think of OET writing? What's the big challenges for you? What do you think? Tell me the big challenges you have.
The main challenge is organizing and selecting the case notes.
Exactly. Why is selecting the case notes so difficult for you?
Because it will be different for different persons. According to the person, we have to change the case note.
Exactly.
So that's very challenging.
Exactly. And who you writing to with this OET writing task? Which person are you writing to? What kind of medical field?
Yeah, we are writing to psychologists, rheumatologists, then GP, all those.
So this one was a psychiatrist, yeah?
Yeah, psychiatrist.
So it's all about selecting the right kind of information that the psychiatrist needs.
Yeah.
So that's a challenge for you. How about yourself? What's the big challenge with OET writing?
That's also the same.
Same kind of issues. And
any other issues, additional issues?
yeah, so Regimo is our OET teacher. If I can get you in, are you there? Oh yeah, you're right there. I can't even see my hand. So, Regimo, what kind of challenges are you seeing that your students are having with OET? And before you even say that, just introduce you to the youngest member of the class. She got A in her OET. So she took it first time, passed first time. What an amazing student you are.
Started her classes right now.
Super intellectual, super smart. But yeah, Regimo, going back onto the normal people rather than the amazing, extraordinary people. What challenges are you finding from your students?
In writing, they are very one of the biggest challenges to select the relevant things from this case note. And as my student told, it's different from person to person. If we are writing to pharmacist and if we are writing to a psychiatrist, we have to select different things from a case note. So I think that's one of the biggest challenges for them. And next thing is we don't have model answers for OET writing. So we are struggling to get model answers. So
I can absolutely help them with that. I can absolutely help with that. And I addressed something as well for the nurses and Regimo, our OET teacher here. I addressed before about this. They think it's a strict rule of 180 to 200 words, and Regimo and I were telling the students that don't be too focused on it has to be in this kind of grade in between 180 to 200 words. It could be less, a little bit less, it could be a little bit more. Don't focus on that too much. Focus on the fact that, are you satisfying the task given? That's the main thing. Are you giving the psychiatrist, in this case, with this exam paper, are you giving them what they need? And like Regimo said, selecting the case notes is really important in order to satisfy the tasks there. So it's great for me to be in Kerala. It's great for me to be in a real life face-to-face class with our OET expert here, Regimo, and helping the nurses to get to the grade B. So if you can all learn from this lady here to get an A, you're getting her free of charge. So she is there giving help and support. And just signing out here from Trisha, Kerala, and have a great rest of the day wherever you are. And see you later to all our Facebook audience.